Namaste, hello and welcome yogis to my YouTube channel Yoga with Shakira. My name is Shakira and for the next 10 days we will be working on 10 days yoga challenge. Each video is going to be about 10 minutes each and each day will be focusing on different body parts and different intention setting. We'll start with full body flow with intention setting. So go ahead and lie down on your mat. Bringing the soles of your feet together in Baddha Konasana. You can send your heels further than your body and just lie down on the mat. Release the palms down, palms facing up towards the sky, really grounding your spine, your shoulder blades down, and go ahead and close your eyes. Start to bring awareness to your body, to your toes, to your breath. Breathing in deep and long. Taking just a few moments here to start our practice grounded and to set intentions for your practice today. Try to observe your mind and bring it back to your mat and to your practice. And slowly now bring the knees together, extending both of your legs wide. Side body stretch or banana. Walk your heels to the left, reaching the arms above your head, and maybe cross your right heel, right ankle on top of your left, and walk your palms and fingers towards the left. If you want to, you can grab hold of your right wrist. Inhale here, really breathing in through your right rib cage. Just one more breath here. And slowly come back to the center. Walk your heels and ankles to the right. And reaching your arms to the right as well. Grab hold of your left wrist. Deep breaths in and out through the nose. Just sense of breathing here will stretch your rib cage out and expanding it. And slowly now, coming back to the center, release your left heel down, hug your right knee in towards the chest, interlace your fingers, bring your right knee closer towards your right armpit, grounding your left scapula down, your left shoulder blade down, shoulder down. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, left palm to the outer corner of your right knee. Open your right arm, shoulder level. Turn your right palm down and bring your right knee to the left side. Turn your head to the right shoulder. Simple spinal twist. And slowly now bring the body back to the center. Now extend your right leg straight. Kick from your right heel. Interlace your fingers behind your right hamstrings. And try to pull your right leg closer towards you. If you need to soften your knee here, do that. But keep pulling your right leg closer towards you if you're not feeling much sensation in your hamstrings now. Try to straighten your leg more. And at the same time, release your shoulders down without engaging with the neck here. And keep the breath going. And slowly now, release the right leg down. We'll take it to the other side. Bring your left knee closer towards your chest. Release your right heel down, pulling your left knee in closer towards you. Soften your shoulders down. Inhale. And exhale. can flex both of your feet or you can point your toes down. This is just to engage your legs more. And as you exhale, bring your right palm to the outer corner of your left knee. Open your left palm wide and turn your head to the left. And slowly now bring the body up. Bring the leg back up to the center, extending your left heel up. Interlace your fingers behind. Try to pull your left leg closer towards you. And at the same time, keep your right leg heavy down on the mat. Sometimes you might want to come up with the left, but try to keep it down. Release any control over your neck and shoulders here. Just letting your body to melt towards the mat. And slowly now, release your legs forward and come up. Okay, from here we'll find Ardha Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Pedal up your feet, looking at your palms, spreading your fingers wide. Sending your heels to the mat. It's okay if they're not touching the mat yet, even if it's lifted, but that's the direction that we want to go one day. And watch as your heels disappear behind your toes and ankles. Checking with your neck here, turn your head right and left, making sure you are not shortening your neck here and allowing space between your shoulders and your ears, lengthening the side body, sending your hips towards the back wall. Inhale and maybe exhale through the mouth. As you take the next inhalation, lift your right leg up, kick your right heel to the back, keeping your hips square. Look forward and step your right foot in between the palms and release your left knee down. Keeping your right knee 90 degrees, lift the body up, Anjaneyasana, low lunge, inhale, reaching the arms up. And as you exhale, shift the body forward, straightening the right leg, sending your hips to your left, to be above of your left knee. Inhale here, send your heart forward, and exhale into half Hanuman, half split. Deep breaths in and out here. And slowly now, setting your right foot down, bring the left palm down. Inhale, lift the back knee up, lift the right hand up. And as you exhale, right fingertips down, turning your body to the left side. Turning your toes in, heels slightly up. Inhale, send your heart forward. And as you exhale, release the crown of the head down. That's okay if the crown of your head is not touching the mat today, but keep pressing the shoulders away from the ears without letting your shoulders to come close. Engaging the arms here. Hug your elbows together, elbows bend 90 degrees. If you want to, you can go ahead and reach your palms beyond your heels. Maybe folding in more. And slowly now inhale, look forward. Releasing your right palm down, keeping your hips squared. Inhale, lift your left hand up. Be light on your right hand, soften your right elbow. And slowly left palm down, inhale, lift your right hand up. And slowly now, inhale, turn your toes up, heels in, lift the body up, 5 pointed star, and turn your left toes in, turn your right toes up, finding your warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Try to look at your footings, making sure that the front heel is in line with the inner arch of the back foot, and roll the thighs out to the back. Open your arms wide, left fingertips reaching to the back, right fingertips reaching forward. Inhale here, and as you exhale, flip the front palm, reverse your warrior. Not holding long here, so keep reaching to the back, and slowly now bring the body up to the center. Release your right elbow on your right knee, lift the left hand up. Engaging your right shoulder away from the ear. You can keep reaching up here or reaching it forward. Maybe take the gaze towards your left palm. And slowly now look down towards your right foot. Palms down, step back, high plank. Inhale here, rounding the upper back. Exhale, knees down, chest and chin down, keeping the hips up. Inhale, hips down, roll the shoulders to the back. Bhujangasana. Exhale, hug the toes, push back, downward dog. Deep breath in and exhale. Let's take it to the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Keep your hips squared, look forward, step your left foot forward. Dropping the back, knee down. Inhale, low lunge. And exhale, hinging the body forward, straightening the front knee, front leg. Point your left toes forward. Inhale here, send your heart forward like it has a focal point. And exhale, folding down over your left leg. And slowly now inhale, look forward, step your left foot down, palm, right palm down, tuck the toes under, lift the back knee. Lift the left hand up. And slowly now release the left fingertips down. Walk the body to face the other side. And this time, turning your toes out, heels in. Inhale, bring the body up, five-pointer star. Exhale, bring the palms together in front of the chest. I'm going to turn around for you. Bring the palms together in front of the chest. Inhale here. And exhale, release your palms down onto your thighs. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring your left shoulder down. Roll the right shoulder to the back. Inhale back to the center. And exhale to the left. Right shoulder down, and inhale back to the center, lift the arms up, turn your toes in. We are going to be side lunging, Skandasana, bend your left knee. You can release the fingertips down here, you can flex your right foot. If you need help with balance, release the fingertips down. If not, bring the palms together in front of you, and we'll be going to this side. Slowly try to keep your hips low. One more on each side. And slowly on to the right. And slowly now lift the body up. So I'm going to be turning to the other side now. And from here, finding warrior two. Checking your footing, open your arms wide, really reaching forward and to the back. Inhale, exhale, flip the front palm, reverse your warrior. Inhale back to the center, exhale, extended side angle. Right arm reaching forward, maybe taking a gaze towards your right palm. And slowly now look towards your left foot, palms down. Step back, high plank. Knees, chest, chin down, or shift body forward, chaturanga down. Inhale, Bhujangasana or Urdhva Mukha, up dog. Exhale, rolling on your toes, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, release any tension. And slowly now, look forward, look towards the palms, release the knees as wide as you want them to be. Your toes together, sitting on your heels, child's pose. Release the forehead down onto the mat. Extend your palms forward. Maybe now turn your palms to face up. Like you're ready to receive all the positive energy and possibilities and potentials from the universe towards your body and towards your practice. Observing how your body is feeling now, your breath and your mind. And slowly now, open your eyes, look forward. Come into Sukhasana, comfortable seated pose. You can cross your legs or you can just release the shins down, or if full or half lotus is within your practice, you can find that as well. We'll be ending our practice here today, releasing the palms facing up, sitting tall, rolling the shoulders to the back, and close your eyes. Sealing in the benefits of your practice. Take a deep breath. And exhale, bring the palms together in front of the heart. Bow down towards the palms. Give thanks and honor to your body and your mind for arriving with you to the mat, to your practice today. Namaste. Thank you for sharing your energy with me.